Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Adidas Dame 8 Battle of the Bubble. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here on the first sample, look at on the marking area. You can see it's too narrow. The gap between the blue layer and the Adidas strip is too narrow, and also this one, the blue layer here, is go right on the bottom of the stitching, whereas on the authentic one, just straight with the stitching here. Let's connect with the stitching. Another sample again, you can see this one, the layers a little bit go down. This one is too close. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the stitching here is right in the middle between 9 and 6 on the fake one, whereas on the authentic is right in the middle of the 6 stitching here is. And also the Dame letter here on the fake one, is the E letter here is slightly come up. This one is a little bit slightly to the left, and this one also still same. You can see the Dame letter here is slightly to the right. We cannot see the E completely. And this one again, stitching is right in the middle of the 9 and 6. This one, the E letter, also slightly to the right. Looking from above here, it's quite similar, but as you can see here you can see on the outsole there is a white glue. There's a little bit dirty here. You can see here it is a little bit dirty because there is a glue left here. There is a lot of glue stain here. There's a white thing. This one also. Moving on the back of the shoes, you can see the stitching here is, the line here is in place right in the middle. So the L letter is placed right in the middle of the line here, whereas on the fake one is slightly to the left. You can see the line is right on top of the E. The L is slightly to the left. This one also, and this one is slightly to the right. You can see it. The Battle of the Bubble here is slightly to the right. Or I guess that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.